All right.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. We got this. Oh, yum, 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 yum.
Bowser Jr.
Do you want me to start my me time?
Emergency plan. Did Mario and Luigi break in the Dry Bones Fortress?
Okay.
Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, call the minions.
Okay.
Ah!
People, I know you guys are all injured.
Dun dun dun!
Well, most of you. For that, I'm gonna give you guys nothing.
Boo-hoo. We're still wearing casts, you know.
I know. So I'm not gonna give you. I'm not gonna give you no.
Excuse me.
And you guys, not getting paid. Or anything. We're getting rupees. We're getting chips. Or we're getting pastries. Or root beer. What else? I'm drunk right now.
Excuse me? Sir Bowser Jr. And do you know, like, Boo looks a little bit scared because he's afraid to die.
Whatever.
But anyway, he is a ghost and he's invisible. So lucky him.
Okay. But you guys could just keep battling. Battling. I don't care. Just keep battling. Okay, so Dry-Bones and Goomba, you guys are going to the battle this time.
Yes, sir.
Don't fail me.
Okay. King Jr.
I'm not pass.
Oh yeah. We. Come on, guys, let's go. I'm scared. Oh, shut up! We just came out of the booth place or whatever. Oh my God! There's a deathly sour that has fish. A fish? What now? Don't go in here. Well, screw you guys. Come on, let's go. Time to chop a stick off. Chop, 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 chop. Oh, run away!
That was easy.
Whoa! Wait, does it make me won? Uh-oh. Come on, guys, let's go. Eee! Whoa. Dry-Bone, so we're just hiding here, right? That's right, Goomba. And we're just gonna hide here until Mario Brothers come. We're going to escape from here and we're gonna take the emergency warp pipe right over here. Woohoo! Right, anyway, let's just wait for the Mario Brothers. Okay. Hey guys! Ah! Emergency pipe! What? Dong, dong, dong. Hey, look, there's Todd right there. Check out him. What the hell? What was this comic? Whatever. There we go. Yeah. Hey guys! Well, you here? But you didn't bring there.
Here we go.
Hey, White.
Yeah.
Do you want to play some video games?
Sure, but can I play with my sister?
What? Who? Oh.
Hi.
Oh yeah, her. Yeah, sure. Is this a hideout?